Hi there, welcome to our channel. I'm so glad you're here. Before we dive in, let me tell you why you should listen to us. My husband and I are parents to 3 young kids, so we know firsthand how precious time and money are. My husband is a financial expert. Actually, he's a Chartered Financial Analyst. So when it comes to money, he really knows his stuff. As for me, I'm all about finding cleaning hacks that make life easier and whipping up simple recipes that keep everyone happy. We love finding ways to waste less time and money so we can just enjoy life. And we want to share those ideas with you, our ChaChingQueen audience. My husband and I own ChaChingQueen.com, a site focused on helping you waste less time and money. On our YouTube channel, you'll find all kinds of videos to help you do just that. We share ways to save money, tips on how to make a little extra, and hacks to make traveling more enjoyable and affordable, especially if you're parents like we are. I also love sharing cleaning hacks because, let's face it, anything that makes life a little easier is a win in my book. And if you're like me and enjoy a simple recipe, I've got plenty of those for you too. Plus, if you're into mom hacks, check out our shorts. They're quick, fun, and packed with helpful tips. There's so much waiting for you at ChaChingQueen.com, so make sure you check it out. And don't forget to follow us on social media. We're everywhere. Just look for ChaChingQueen. Thanks for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button and let's start saving together.